Yo, what is going on, guys? RexOG here, and today I am playing some agario. I know you guys haven't requested, but I would like to actually I'd like to actually to play this. So I'm gonna see what this. Oh, sign in with Google. Let's do it. I'm not going to allow, and you guys can't see any info. Connecting, respect, and let's go play. I know I'm not. Oh gosh, this is really laggy. I haven't done any warm-ups, and I think this is how you split, or is it like that? I don't know how to split. But getting used to it. Okay, I'm just getting used to this agario again. I haven't played it in ages. And yeah. Oh, that guy's massive. Don't split, please, because I don't know how to. Oh gosh. Hide. This guy's after me. He's the spider. Oh, how close was I to dying there? I'm going to go up here. And this is my first game. I only just got on. So yeah. Let's keep on going. Let's go down here. Oh, can I get this guy? Oh, I wish this was Slither.io so I could like boost and then like trap him somehow. That would be fun. Oh, lag. There we go. There's going to be a little lag spikes because I'm not as close to. Oh gosh. I just sniped that guy's kill thing, whatever you guys want to call it. Oh gosh, no, he's after me. I don't know how to split. Oh, he's not after me. I was gonna say if I split for no reason, I would have been mad. Oh, there's a guy down here. Oh, is this how you split? Nope. I'm gonna go for this guy. Oh, he's splitting. I don't know how to. Senpai noticed me. I don't know what to do. Isn't it shift? Space, control. Oh, it's something like that. It's space. Yeah, it's space. Okay. Why did I do that? Rip. Rip. I did not mean to do that. So my aim of the game, Tex Rex. Hey, he's got it's my name. Please. Oh, Luna ate him. No, he was a Rex fan. But one day, I don't even know if he was a Rex fan. You guys should join the T-Rex army. Join the T-Rex army, and you guys can be cool kids like me. I'm not saying that I'm cool, but meh. Possibilities. Box munches massive now. It's not fair. Oh, it's that guy. It's that guy that I want to have. Oh, butt cheeks. Oh, he's gonna split. Please, I fan. No, it's space. Have one of my cells. Or you can. Something happened on TeamSpeak and I don't know what it was. You reached level 3. Can I get a different skin, please? No, I need 50 more coins. Let's go continue. I'm gonna make mine respect. There we go. If we play, now we're a mini dot again. You were moved. Whoever moved me, I'm recording right now on agario, so. Someone's moving me. Oh, hello, I'm recording on agario, whoever this is. Oh, hey, Rooster. Yeah, Rooster's here with me, but he's not on agario. I am. Good. I'm on South America if you come on it. Choose the South America one, because that's what I'm on. No, I'm on North America, I think. I think it's... we can try, yeah. This guy's after me. Sexy face. He's following me. This isn't nice. I died. Yeah, okay, actually, Rooster might be joining me here. Yeah, North Korea, I'll go medium. What's the closest to us? North America, South America, Europe, Russia, Turkey, East Asia, Oceania. Is that the closest to us? Okay. I got into a whole different lobby. And do you want to go teams? Or... I'm on medium. Okay, I'll go on party as well. Okay, just type the code in TS chat. Oh, we got moved to room 1, sweet. Okay, let's go. Copy that. So yeah, oh, Minecraft's open. Let's copy that in there. Joining party. Okay. Where are you? I joined into the lobby. Is this guy? Oh gosh. There's what? Oh. Did I just eat some? I want to eat this guy. Let me eat him. I'm gonna eat this blue guy. Oh, why can't I eat people? Yeah, I think they know who. Oh, I found a guy. I'm gonna eat him. I'm gonna eat him. I'm gonna eat him. I'm gonna eat him. I died. I'm gonna go continue. I'm gonna actually change mine to low because I'm still lagging. But oh well. Oh, that's... Yeah, I'm on low. It's better. I joined... Is the guy that's... Is the 10th guy's name Sir in your game? Oh, now he's number 9. Sweet. Okay. He's off the leaderboard. Oh, there he is. Oh, it's messy. Should we go to experimental? Have you played that, Rooster? Oh, free bots, free bots, free bots, free bots. Woo! Oh gosh. There's just guys staying still. Oh, perfect. Oh, let's get this guy. Oh, oh, come on, let's get this guy. I can get him. I can get him. Oh, never mind. He went big. He was split into so many little squares, circles. Oh, my viewers would have seen if I was. Oh. Oh, I got a guy. I'm taking poker face on. Feed me. I want to take this poker face. Kill poker face. This is my dream to kill poker face. I forgot how to split. I'm not split. How do I shoot out mass? Yeah, no. I'm just gonna half right now once I don't lag. Oh, I failed so badly. I'm at 146. I need to get together. Oh, I need to get back together. Oh! Rip. I'm at 184 right now. Go bottom left. Oh, I just found some bots. Oh, I'm scrunching. I'm taking them. Oh! No, it's not. Really? I was gonna feed him. I'm level 4. You know, team. Play. Oh, I found this guy that killed me. And I lagged. Dang it. Should I stop it here? Should. I'm just gonna put mine on auto, my graphics, and see what it's like. Aren't you going to be on the leaderboard? Oh, there's a guy called Drake, and I just ran into him on accident. Play. Okay. How much mass do you need to be on the leaderboard? Oh! I see you! Oh, I see you on the leaderboard. Where you at? Wait, go top right. Go top right. Well, I'm getting chased. Okay, go to the top right. I'm at the okay, I'm at the top right. I'm at top right. I'm gonna sit in the top. Okay, I'm in the top right corner. Okay, I'm gonna chill here in this corner. Oh, wait. Oh, I don't know if my top right's your top left and my top left's your top right. That's confusing. So, is my top right your top left or? Okay. I'm chilling in the corner at the top right. Oh gosh! Oh, this guy almost just sniped me. Hey Rooster, help! Yes, it's me. I'm the yellow one. Don't eat me! You. Oh, legend. Okay. Yay! There you go. Look out. There you go. Hey, don't eat me. Okay, come up to the corner and feed me. Me. I got you. Oh gosh. No! Oh, we were so close, guys. I think we're gonna have to end it here. At least we got on the leaderboard, and oh, I think I have to yawn, right? Yeah, at least we got on the leaderboard. So yeah, this is gonna end it for the first episode. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one with Rooster. And yeah.